Okay, everybody, I just want to share a way that you could prop up your fence again. I'm sure a lot of you had your fence go down in this bad windstorm we just had. Most of my fence is all new, all the way down across there, except for this last section is all like 20, 30 years old. Now, I had I think about 4 or 5 of my fence posts busted in half during that windstorm, and the darn fence was leaning all the way down against the neighbor's house there. So I went in the backyard and I propped up all the fence posts at a 45-degree angle with a 2x4 and kind of got it standing up where I want it. And I screwed those pieces of wood in really tight so they're not going anywhere. And I put these metal fence posts in the ground, and that's going in the ground about 2 feet there and there also. And I just bought a little U-clamps at the Home Depot and a couple of screws and I put a board behind there so it's a little stronger, even though those fence boards are a piece of junk now, but it's not going to fall down again. So maybe this spring or this summer we'll put a whole new fence in here. But anyway, that's a good little idea. If you have some of these metal fence posts, you can prop them up and have temporary fence posts and just screw those little U-bolts right on there. If you could find a secure place, it'd be ideal if you could put it right where the old fence post was. That way you can use some really long screws. Okay, so anyway, that's what I just got through doing. Took me a couple hours to prop this thing up all by myself. All right, guys, take it easy.